Today, what we see of retail banks is they're under attack from both tech firms as well as challenger banks. And these are for two really great reasons. Tech firms have been armed with reams of customer data as well as huge war chests to play with, whereas challenger firms have been picking off individual products and customer experience such as payments. In light of these two challenges, retail banks have been seeing themselves losing a great deal of customer engagement as well as data. So what do they need to do? Be focusing on customer loyalty. We know that loyalty actually drives growth and economics. And at Bain, our framework for loyalty starts off with the elements of value, of which there are 30. In retail banking, we have found that the 5 most important elements of value are quality by a wide margin, time savings, reduction of anxiety, simplification, and heirloom, which is another word for saying good investment for future generations. In places where we've seen banks compete really well with tech firms, it's when they've been able to band together, such as in payments. In many countries, banks have been losing out in terms of their banking apps to technology providers. However, in countries such as Sweden, Poland, and Singapore, the banks have banded together to form a platform which is actually proving to be very robust and customer-centric. In payments as well as other banking episodes, what is key to success is simple and digital. And if you think about this, tech firms are native in terms of how they use simple and digital. That's why firms such as Rocket Mortgage is doing very well, especially also challenger banks. And even retail banks themselves are finding out that for customers who interact more with them digitally, those customers have higher loyalty as well as a lower cost to serve. Through our work and our survey, we would suggest 3 things for banks to do going forward. First, continue digital migration of the customers. This is going to be really important, and customers are actually already very comfortable with digital channels as well as voice assistance. Second would be to pursue elements of value, focusing more on the emotional elements, which pay back around 1.5 times more than functional elements of value. Third, think about forming consortiums and/or buying the technology that's needed for them to deliver simple and digital. So again, that's what we would say, loyalty always wins the day.